By this point, you've probably learnt all about the various elements that make up the Pivotfarm datasheet and the key concepts that make up our Confluence Power Zones. So, what exactly is the Power Zone Edge? How can this information help your trading? Well, one of the key focuses of the Power Zones and of the datasheet is our exhaustive technical confluence method. And what this essentially means is that we combine multiple technical analysis methodologies into our confluence power zones. Now, this is essentially looking at the methods used by various groups of traders and putting those different eyes on the market together to provide a holistic view, identifying key high probability areas for reversal. And that's one of the main ways that the datasheet can help you. You've got all the information laid out there in front of you, and you've got the key confluence power zones where everything comes together. Now, the beauty of our approach is the fact that it's very evolutionary. We use a statistical edge based upon comprehensive back and forward testing. Now, what this means is we're evolving with the market. Because we're weighting various methodologies, at a given market personality or a market phase, we're giving you the very best zones at the cutting edge of what the market is doing. And this is always going to be the case. Our approach is very evolutionary. There is not a market environment that our zones can't adapt to. Lastly, our power zones can be used to augment any trading system. So whether you use Fibonacci or you use an indicator reversal method, whatever it might be, our zones can be used to identify high probability areas for reversal that can be used to augment your system. Okay, one of the key focuses of what we provide, and probably one of the main reasons that we've created the data sheets, is to fight one of the main demons that traders have, which is psychology. Now, our technical confluence and evolutionary approach boosts confidence because we're analyzing such a depth of information and looking at a wide variety of analysis methods. Traders can be confident that what they're getting is the very, very best information at the cutting edge, of a trader's needs. Now, one of the key things that our Confluence Power Zones provide a trader with is focus. Because you're identifying key high probability areas, you're more focused. You're not always ready looking for a trade. You're going to be focusing your energies upon the highest probability areas, and this is ultimately going to help your bottom line. And one of the biggest ways that it will help you is to avoid overtrading. This is one of the biggest problems even the best traders have. If you're constantly on guard looking for a trade, that itchy trigger finger that so many traders suffer from is constantly going to be in play. If you're focusing your energy upon key high density confluence power zones, you're less likely to overtrade because you're going to be focusing your energy upon key areas. Now, the Pivotfarm approach is comprehensive, it's all inclusive, it's visual, and you get a great data sheet providing all the key information that you need.